In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage version history in Google Sheets, a useful feature for tracking changes and edits to your spreadsheets over time. This is particularly helpful if you're collaborating with others or working on complex projects where understanding past changes could be vital. Let's dive into it. First, you need to open the Google Sheets file that you want to review. Make sure you're in the correct document where you have the necessary permissions to view version history. Once your sheet is open, turn your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll see a range of options. To access version history, you're going to click on File. This will open a drop-down menu. Scroll down within this menu until you see version history. Hover over it, and you'll see an additional option that says See version history. Click there to proceed. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus H. This is a quick way to open up the version history without having to navigate through the menu bar. Using shortcuts can save you time, especially if you're in a rush or simply prefer using the keyboard instead of the mouse. After you've clicked on See Version History or used the keyboard shortcut, a detailed panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. You will see a list of all previous edits made to your Google Sheet document. The panel records every saved change, noting who made the edits and when they occurred. It's a chronological timeline of all actions, making it clear and straightforward to see how your document has evolved over time. Clicking on any version within this panel will allow you to view specific changes that were made to your spreadsheet. This can be incredibly beneficial if you're trying to identify who made certain edits or if there's a need to audit the progression of changes. You might notice color coding, which highlights different contributors' edits, giving you a visual way to track who's made specific changes. Take your time to look through these versions thoroughly to get a clear understanding of past modifications. In the event you wish to revert your document back to a previous state, Google Sheets makes that process simple. Once you've selected the version that best suits your needs, or the one you want to revert to, you'll find an option at the top of the page labeled Restore this version. Clicking this will revert your document to that particular point in time. Before doing so, ensure you've reviewed the potential impacts, as restoring will overwrite the current document with the chosen version. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed and navigated the version history in Google Sheets. This tool can be a lifesaver for document management, helping you maintain control and clarity over your data. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply keeping track of your own work, understanding version history is a valuable skill to have. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.